Imagine you're sleeping soundly in your bed. All of a sudden, you start to hear strange noises outside of your room. The walls begin to shake and the floor starts to rumble. The sounds are coming nearer and nearer. Your heart rate quickens, and as you peek out, you see bright lights headed for your house. Pretty soon, a bulldozer is crashing through the walls of your home while you're still in it. You try to grab your loved ones. Some make it and some do not. You're standing outside of what used to be your home, blanketed with sorrow, thinking, how did this happen and why did this happen to me? This might be a strange reality, but it is the reality of hundreds of species that are currently living in the rainforest today. Deforestation of the rainforest is a serious problem. It is destroying the natural habitat of many species of animals, causing them extinction. And it also has an effect of climate change and soil erosion. Currently, the Amazon has lost nearly 17% of its current rainforest. Deforestation of the rainforest is a process by which the land is cleared out for logging or cattle ranch purposes or other manufacturing. The trees are torn down and the soil is completely bulldozed over and it is left with nothing. The current rate of deforestation of the rainforest is about 8.5 million hectares per year. That is about the size of the country of Panama each year being destroyed by deforestation of the rainforest. In 1989, the Resource Institute did a study and they predicted that solely based on deforestation of the rainforest, between 5 and 15% of the world's species will forever be lost. Many of these species are only indigenous to the rainforest. Many of these species of animals and plants have yet to even be discovered by humans. Do we really want the loss of all of these animals and plants for farming purposes? Not only does deforestation have an effect on the habitats of animals, it also affects climate change. The trees of the rainforest are up so high they provide a natural cover from the sun's rays to the bed of the rainforest. When those trees are bulldozed down and removed, the sunlight can then penetrate down to the floor of the rainforest, thus causing it to dry up and a temperature increase. The leaves are no longer there to grab water and trickle it down and moisten the soil. This is causing soil erosion widespread across the areas. Deforestation of the rainforest is a problem that probably does not affect you personally and that you've never really thought about it. But rainforests are vital for the biodiversity that occurs on Earth. They're responsible for a large percentage of the oxygen that we breathe in. Not only that, they provide photosynthesis and they soak up the carbon dioxide that we breathe out. Deforestation of the rainforest does not have to keep occurring at this alarming rate. The rainforest could be harvested for their natural resources. Those resources being cocoa, chocolate, nuts, beans, citrus fruits, resins, dyes, rubber. The list actually goes on and on about all the things that can be naturally harvested. And studies show that if the rainforest is used for its natural resources instead of logged down or burned down for cattle ranches and logging purposes, it would actually provide more money than would the other purposes. Rainforests are important for the earth, and they are what makes this earth beautiful, and they are part of our ecosystem. It is important that you be aware of what is happening to the rainforest and all the species of animals that are being extinct because of deforestation. We can help do our part by reduce, reusing, and recycle, but mostly being aware of what is going on around us.